What's up guys, welcome back with me Snake Compare. Today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Lebron Witness 7 purple and pastels colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see on the first sample, just like the other colorways, you can see here the tip of the Nike swoosh here is placed right in the middle. It should be not like this, it should be like this, like the authentic, slightly go down. Also this one, the gap between the plastic and the stitching is narrow than compared to the authentic. Another sample, still same here. You can see the lace hole is slightly to the left, it's misplaced. You can see here this one also, the gap is too narrow. Just see the authentic here. And also another sample again, this one, the Nike swoosh is yellow, is wrong colorway. And the lace hole here is slightly to the right. You can see it touched the stitching here. Also the midsole is black. On the authentic, the midsole is white. Another sample again, still same. You can see the lace hole is slightly to the left, and this one is placed right in the middle. Compared to the authentic one here, slightly go down. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, you can see the letter here, Witness 7. It's a lot more smaller than the authentic. The authentic is a lot more bigger. And this one, look at on the marking area. You can see here there's a stitching left, so it's not clean on the fake one. And also this one, the lace hole is slightly to the right. Another sample, still same. So the flows here is misplaced, mostly is misplaced. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here on the samples, on the fake one, you can see the gap between the lion and the embroidery here is too narrow. The space here is too narrow. So let's take a closer look. You can see on the marking area, the gap here is too narrow than the authentic. The authentic has a lot more gap here. Look at my pointer here and here. And this one also still same. This one is slightly, it's not placed right in the middle. The stitching here slightly to the left. And this one also still same, it's not placed right in the middle. And this one, the gap here is too narrow. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you understand, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video just like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.